小朋友上课，拜拜。
Have fun at school, kids. Bye bye.
早安 ，Good morning。我不小心放了个屁。Sorry, I just farted. Hey guys, have you heard that our new chemistry teacher is from the kingdom of giants?
Oh, really? How is the new teacher gonna fit in our classroom?
I don't know.
Come inside, kids.
We're gonna see the new teacher. Time for some science experiments. 我们要 milk. Here, tiny puppets. Tray. Puppets. This soap. They have it.
Color mixing dish. 调色盘
Think we have everything we need.
Pour some water into the color mixing dish. It was a mistake that we use up all the color tablets in one go. They supply 9 and we use it all. And later we found out that we cannot continue for the other activities. Then I went to buy more online.
1, 2, 3, go. Let's put some soup. Bing, bing. Now I have to mix it all up.
Here we were supposed to drop one of each color of fizzing color tablets into the milk, spacing them out around the tray. But this time our chemist teacher decided to do it her way. I think no matter what, having fun is the most important thing, as long as it's safe.
Nice. It's pink. Like that. All that I make colorful.
She was all done adding the colors, and now we're adding the dish soap. The dish soap attached itself to the fat in the milk and started to move in all directions. The different colors allowed you to see all the crazy movements. Getting ready for the next activity, we're going to make Oobleck.
Cornstarch to mix 9.
Yes, we're making Oobleck slime.
Mixing tray, yes.
50 ml of water, 50 ml 的水 Spoon, 木勺 Here I didn't read the instruction properly. We should have put the fizzing color tablets into the 50 ml water to let it dissolve. Because I have put all the color tablets into the water from the previous activity, now there are too much water for this experiment. Luckily, I have extra cornstarch at home. As you can see, it was a bit too watery, so we added more cornstarch. Oobleck feels hard like a solid when it is placed under pressure, such as when you squeeze it in your fist. But when you open your palm, it dripped out.
Be by myself. Kids.
Good scientists.
Oobleck is not for eating. 很 yucky.
对，小朋友不可以吃这个哟。但是我们用的都是食用色素，然后是 cornstarch， 然后这是一些太白粉、玉米粉，其实是可以吃的。但是不好吃。We're making ice cream in the bag. 做冰淇淋。
Nice bag, so big.
Small bag.
It's salt. Can't eat it. 1 cup of cream.
1 tablespoon of sugar.
Yes. Can't drop it.
Chocolate.
Yeah.
Ice cubes. 冰块。
So cold.
Add the cream, sugar, and flavoring to the small bag. Push out all of the air and seal the bag. Add the cold salt and ice to the large resealable bag. Place the small bag inside the large bag. Seal the large bag and shake it until the ice cream has hardened. This may take a few minutes. Or in our case, this didn't happen. But anyway, we still had fun. I'm guessing we didn't have enough ice cubes. The last activity, we are making bubbling lava lamp. We need graduated cylinder, 量筒, fizzing color tablets, dropper, 滴管, color mixing dish, 调色盘, baking soda, 小苏打粉, vinegar, 醋, vegetable oil, 沙拉油. Add half of the baking soda into the graduated cylinder. Carefully pour vegetable oil into the graduated cylinder up to the 200 ml mark. Try not to disturb the layer of the baking soda. Fill one well in the color mixing dish with vinegar and drop a fizzing color tablets into it. Using the dropper, add 5 or 6 drops of the colored vinegar to the cylinder, and you can add more colors and see what happens. She had played this Oobleck slime for over half an hour by herself, and I had a good time cooking in peace. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and click like. Thank you.